In this video, we will show you how to upload a video on Preply. If you guys want to get started with Preply, use the links in the description. Go to preply.com, click on Get Started, select your goal and your English level. Answer all the required questions. Click on Become a Tutor. Create your tutor profile by clicking on Create a Tutor Profile Now. Continue with your Google account or choose another account. Enter your first and last name and other details. Enter your phone number and click Save and Continue. Upload your profile photo. You can adjust and upload a new photo if needed. Then click Save and Continue. Fill out the information about your teaching certificate or check the box if you don't have one. Provide additional requested information. Introduce yourself in the provided text box. Describe your teaching experience and motivate potential students. Create a catchy headline. Test your camera and start recording a video introduction. Paste the link to your video from YouTube or another platform. Click Save and Continue. Add your availability and pricing details. By following these steps, you can successfully upload a video to your Preply profile, enhancing your tutoring presence on the platform. So that is how to upload video on Preply. Make sure to use the links in the description to get started with Preply. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.